Hello and welcome back everyone to AnubhavTrainings.com. In this series of videos, we are learning about advanced RAP concepts. So of course, we have conducted our last RAP training on the BTP trial account. But in this series of videos, which are free on YouTube, we will be providing you the additional information regarding BTP productive accounts and what is that extra you will be able to perform on these productive accounts. So having said that, let's get started. In our today's session, I will show you how to set up your productive ABAP environment on a BTP account. So let me first show you the available service plan. So we go to SAP BTP Service Discovery Center over here. And now we can see that we have pay as you go plan, which we already selected. Under that, there is a free tier available for ABAP environment, which will get decommissioned in 90 days. And if we want to upgrade, we can do that. It is more suitable for a POC based project with more of a real time experience as compared to trial account. For example, in a trial account, you will not be able to create communication scenarios, communication arrangement, and communication user. You will also not have full access to the launch pad. So now we are going to proceed further and create a ABAP instance with free tier plan into a free tier ABAP pay as you go environment. So I go back to my productive BTP account, which is pay as you go plan. And as always, I am going to come back over here to create our sub account first. So let's choose the sub account and I will give it as Anubhav sub account. And let's choose the productive region. So you can come back and see that for AWS, these many data centers, it is available. So I'll go with US East VA AWS data center. So US East VA AWS data center is what I'm choosing for this particular sub account, and I'm creating now my sub account. Now this is one technique to do that, and then you can manually add your ABAP environment into the BTP. The another technique is you can run a booster, and with the help of booster you can create sub account plus on top the ABAP free tier on top of it. You can do that actually. So the second technique is what I can also show you. You can go to the booster in your global account, and here you can search for ABAP environment, and then you will be able to create it. So let's choose here ABAP environment, and I will go with free tier plan start. So you can see it is checking for authorization and entitlements, and then I can go to next step. Now I can directly create a new sub account, or I can select a sub account. So since I have already created sub account, I will go with select a sub account and I click on next button. And now I will choose our sub account which I just created over there. So it was Anubhav SA, and it has got a org and a dev space. Click on next button. Make sure you are choosing the free tier plan. Otherwise, it is going to be costly for your organization. So now we can just see here it is going to provision the cloud identity service for my user. So I will just go ahead and utilize the information to also provision the cloud identity user. So I grant or add my personal email ID here to grant myself the permission to as an administrator for cloud identity service. So let me add my mail ID as a developer and as a administrator both. Click on next button, and the system ID is going to be H01. Click on finish, and you can see the provisioning has been started. So this is how my account will get created now as a more of a productive account with ABAP instance in a productive BTP account. So once it is provisioned, I will be able to connect it to my Eclipse tool. I will also be able to open the launchpad where we will get ability to do things which we don't get into the trial account. So let it provision, and then we are going to see the final system. So I'm going to pause the video here until it finishes the provisioning. So all right, it was quite fast and it has finished the provisioning of my account now. So let's navigate to our sub account now to look at the entire provisioning which is being carried out into the sub account. So we can come back to services, instance and subscriptions, and we should be able to see our ABAP environment instance. So here the build work zone subscription failed, which is fine, not an issue. However, you can see it is still provisioning the ABAP free tier plan. So once it is done, I will be also creating the service key manually, and then I will be connecting it to the Eclipse tool. In the meanwhile, I can just proceed further and delete the build work zone subscription, which had a problem. Just delete that, not an issue. So sometimes the booster may not also work properly. You also see something very interesting. The landscape portal as well as the web access for ABAP. These two subscriptions were also added. This is something pretty new when it comes to the productive account as compared to the trial account where we conducted our RAP training. All right, so let's go ahead and create the service key now. ABAP-SK. All right, so once the service key is ready, our instance is fully ready now. In the next episode, we are going to learn how are we going to use productive ABAP environment on BTP to connect from Eclipse tool. It is not very straightforward like a trial account where you just copy the link of the service key and do the stuff. But there will be a little bit more which you need to understand as a persona based understanding to grant or create your developer user and grant permission to the developer user so the developer user can connect to the ABAP environment on BTP for productive ABAP account. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please smash the like button if you would like me to create further videos in this series of content. So thank you once again for your time. Subscribe the channel and I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, happy coding and goodbye.